Welcome to Bake at Home Cookies. I'm the owner, Cynthia Wayand. I chose a fun and playful mission statement for my business, not only because I wanted to connect with families, but I also wanted to help them feel good about shopping at a store that makes their life a little bit easier. The mission statement I chose is to create yummy cookies for time-crunched families. My vision was to find something I could do in my home. I knew I needed to work with what I had. I also needed to make it convenient for myself as well as the customer. Making frozen cookie dough came about while working through some issues. I don't have an oven, and my kitchen is small. I'm also a student and a single mom, so saving time was essential for me. Because of these issues, I was able to save time by not baking the cookies and leaving that for my customers. I was also able to avoid product waste from potential inconsistencies in baking. I had some work to do before I could start selling. First, I gathered the recipes I wanted to use and the ingredients I already had, then made a list for the rest. This is where I used the initial $20 capital. From there, I made some inventory and itemized out the cost so I knew what to charge. This also allowed me to bake a few cookies, and my kids sampled them for quality. I spent lots of time in my little kitchen making batch after batch, freezing, packaging, and labeling them. I stayed busy, but it was exciting to have orders coming in. I wanted to add a personal touch to my business, so my kids and I delivered the dough. Doing this helped me out as well as my customers, because having a busy schedule, I could move the inventory at my pace. I didn't feel like I needed to be available for long stretches of time for order pickup. One lesson I learned was to collect money at the time of delivery. At one home, we just dropped it off with the kids because their mom wasn't home. Since I hadn't been paid, I was going to just call it a loss in profits. Luckily, though, she did come and pay me last week for it. While I received the payment, not collecting it up front isn't something I would do again. I offered 4 types of cookies, and they were close to an even spread on sales. I added another type of cookie the last week or two, but because of my low advertising at that time, I didn't sell as many. But guess what? When all was said and done, I sold 53 orders of dough. That's 1,740 cookie dough balls sold. I was as surprised as you are to hear that number, but it came to a sales total of $500, minus the $140.66 in my cost of goods, giving me a net profit of $389.34. I feel my business was a success, going well above the challenge of $100. Another reason I feel Bake at Home was a success is because of the good reviews I received. I also had repeat customers, so that was a nice compliment as well. Investing in Bake at Home cookies would be a promising option because of its convenience for families and individuals. It's a fun business that started in a small ovenless kitchen, but has the potential to become an exciting and profitable shop. Thanks for watching.